everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have this very tricky math question based on area and perimeters, and the question is find the area and perimeter of the shaded region. There are two triangles which are like making a mixed design, or you can mix diagram, okay, and we have to find the shaded area and also the perimeters of this mixed diagram. This is a mixed diagram and we have to find the area and the perimeter. As we can see, there are two triangles and this is, we consider this number 1 and this number 2. To solve this, to get the area value, we have to find this base, okay, because what we know that area of triangle which equals to half times base to height. This is the basic formula here, and here we can see this is also a right angle triangle. This is also a right angle triangle which equals to 90 degrees. So this value will be the height, that is 12, and here we can consider, actually we can consider this is also height and this is base. There is no difference, okay, but here we will consider this one is height for this triangle 2. You can also consider this unknown value. We can say let's a as your height and 12 as your base, and similarly we can consider 3 as height and 4 as base. You can also do the opposite because this is right angle triangle, no need to worry, okay. So we can simply find the area of triangle 1, okay, which equals to half times base, we can consider 4, and like height which equals to 3, or we can say 2 times 1, 2 to 4, and 3 times 2, that is 6 square units. So here we have area of triangle 1 which is 6 square unit. And now to find the value of a, to find the value of a, we have to find this hypotenuse value of this triangle value, okay, is equals to hypotenuse of triangle 1, okay, and we will apply here Pythagoras theorem, which equals to what? H square is equal to b square plus h square, okay, and h is equal to root over b square plus h square. So we have to find this h. Now what? Here we have considered b as 4, so we will write 4 square, and h we consider here 3, so we will write 3 here. So we will simply write h is equal to 4 square, which equals to 4 times 4, which equals to 16, and similarly 3 square which equals to 3 times 3, which equals to 9. So we'll simply write on the place of 4 square we can write 16, and on the place of 3 square we will write 9. So we are writing here 16 plus 9. Now 16 plus 9 which equals to what? 25, okay. Now coming value of h here, this is h, this is actually a, which equals to a, h equal to h. We will have to find the square root of 25, and as we know square root of 25 which equals to 5. because 5 square is 25. Simple. So here value of A is equals to 5. Okay, and now area of second triangle, which equals to half times base into height. So we will write 12 times base will be what? We have 5 and height is 12 here. 2 times 1, 6, or you can say 5 times 6, which equals to 30. Yes, square units. This is the value of area of the second triangle. So here finally let's change the color. Area of shaded region, which equals to what? Area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. Now area of triangle 1 is, we have like 6 square unit. So we will write 6 square unit on the place of like 6 plus area of triangle 2, which equals to 30. So 3 plus 30 plus 6, which equals to 36 square units. This is the value of area. Now we have also value of perimeter. Perimeter is what? Boundary. And here we have to consider one more thing. Now we know the value of, as we know the value of this is 5, so we have to find this length, which is hypotenuse. So simply we will write here, like we have to find this, we will calculate here. Okay, so here we have like this kind of stuff. Yes, this kind of, this is 12 and here this is 5, so we have to find this. So simply by applying the same hypotenuse formula, we can simply write from this. Hypotenuse is what? Root square of b square plus h square. So we will write h is equal to b square plus h square. Okay, now we will write root over or b. Here b, what we have, b is considered, whatever you can consider, we can simply write here 12 square plus 5 square. Earlier we have considered 5 as base, but we have to find this, so I do this. Okay, now 12 square is 144 plus 25. Now when we like adding this, we got the value of 169, and this is the, actually this is 13 times square root what? 169. 13 times 13, so we will simply write 13. Here h is 13 because 13 square is 169. Okay, so here this value is 13. Okay, now what? As we know, the value of perimeter, which is what? Boundary or nothing. Boundary, simple boundary. So here in the boundary we have this 3, So we will like adding 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus this 12, this 12 and this 13. This will give the perimeter. Okay, 3 plus 4, that is 7, 7 plus 12, which is equal to 19, and 19 plus 13, which equals to what? 32. Okay, so here this is unit in units. Now area is what? 36 square units, and perimeter is 32 units. These are our final values. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then subscribe our channel.